You want to upload long AI-generated videos on YouTube and make money. But the problem is that the current top platforms for making videos with AI, meaning Sora 2 and VEO 3.1, only create videos of 8 seconds. If you create videos repeatedly using them, then you have to buy their premium plan, and every time we create different videos, our character and voice also change. So with so many problems, a creator's life becomes difficult. The solution to all these problems I am going to give you today in this video, because today I am going to tell you about a platform with which you can create unlimited long AI videos. So first, watch this video of mine that I created using this same platform.
Just wanna get home. Just need this ride to end. This station shouldn't exist. Hello? Is someone there? Wait! Open! Open!
With this platform, you can create as many videos as you want in one day, and that too in long format. Here you can create a video up to 6 minutes with just one prompt. But if you skip this video at any point, you might miss an important part, and your video might not be created at all. So watch without skipping. Let's start. In the description, you will find a link. After clicking that link, you will come here, where you need to create an account. You can create an account even with a temporary email, and you can also sign up with Google. I will quickly sign up with Google. After signing up, we will come to its homepage. Here, if you scroll a little, you will see more videos created with this website, from which you can get ideas about how different types of videos can be made here. Now, here we will create our video. For this, if we click here, you will see many video styles showing you in which style you want to create your video. Cartoon, 3D, and many more styles are available here, so you can select any of them. Now, if we click here, you can select the language of your video from here. You get many languages here that you do not get in many famous AI platforms. And here, we will select the length of our video. You can create up to 2 minutes of video for free. If you want to create longer than that, then you will need to purchase credits here. But even a 2-minute video is a lot. You can create a 2-minute video by entering one prompt, and then by entering another prompt, you can make up to a 4-minute video. Here we will paste our prompt, in which I have written, cinematic short film in a misty forest at dawn. A silent, focused hunter tracks a wolf through foggy pine trees, studying footprints and forest sounds. Handheld slow shots, tense atmosphere. He aims through his rifle scope in slow motion and fires. The bullet hits a stone, revealing a natural wolf face pattern. He realizes respect for nature and lowers the rifle. Mood shifts from tension to peace. No violence, natural lighting, soft fog, film texture. As soon as we enter, our video will start generating. First, this AI will select the main characters of our story, deciding what they should look like. At the top, you can see the scenes and how many scenes our story will have. This AI takes 3 to 4 minutes to understand the story. Now, it has started generating our video, and after a little while, all our video clips are ready. Below, you can see your video clips, how many clips there are, and all our video clips have been generated. But this particular clip did not generate. Many times it happens that only 2 or 3 clips get generated, and the rest fail. So what you need to do is click on the clip that did not generate, and on the side, you will see the option to regenerate. Click on that, and our video generation will start again. If it cancels again, then click regenerate once more. After all the video clips are generated, we will click here on the side, and this is our complete video. After adjusting all these clips properly, the AI has created this video for us. If you want, you can also download these clips and edit them yourself. But for now, I will download the complete video edited by AI, for which I will click here. And if I want to download it without a watermark, then we need to use credits here. But I will explain later how to remove the watermark. First, we will download this video with a watermark. And now, you need to install this app from the Play Store. After installing, an interface like this will appear. And by clicking on the video, we will select our video from here. Now, a black box will appear in front of you, and we need to adjust this box over the watermark, like this. After that, we will click the plus and take another box. Now we will click this video here and play it a little, and you can see a watermark here as well. Now we will adjust this box over that watermark. After this, by clicking here, we will select 1080p from here and click here, and our video will start saving. Let's see how the video turned out.
Every sign tells a story. Every story has an ending. You're close now. I can feel your heartbeat. Today, nature always speaks. Today, you stop me. I came here as a hunter. I leave as a guardian.
In this way, you can create videos from this website for free and unlimited time. However, this website is free right now, and we don't know when this website will become paid, so quickly make videos from here and earn money from YouTube. And if you want to use Sora 2 without an invite code, then watch my other video, in which I have explained everything step by step.